Right, here is the second page of the mixed review of addition and subtraction of polynomials. If you can handle this page, you're amazing, because this stuff's getting kind of crazy. It's not really difficult, but you better be careful because, you know, the questions are getting longer. Maybe giving that as a pep talk to myself so I don't make any mistakes. Nothing in front, so minus 4k to the fourth plus 14 plus 3k squared. Oh, look, it's... Aha. Pay attention. Pay attention. It's a plus sign. So that means I just need to bring this line down the way it is. Minus 3k4 plus 14k squared minus 8. All right, so there's a k to the fourth. And there's a k to the fourth. So minus 7k4. Now we've got a k squared there, k squared there. 3 and 14 is plus 17k squared. And then we've got minus 14, sorry, plus 14 and minus 8. So it's going to be plus 6. Woohoo! That wasn't so bad. And yes, for those of you that are arguing and said, I could have just done it there. Yeah, you're right. I've been doing this long enough and I just rewrite them all the time. Minus 3 and distributing plus 6n to the fifth plus 8n to the fourth distribute plus 6 and 4 plus 3n, oh my goodness, plus 8n to the fifth. I'm going to double check. Sign change, sign change, sign change, sign change, sign. Okay, so all my signs are changed and double checking my variables. Okay, I think I'm good. Now I just need to do the combining of like terms, and I'm going to start with my highest ones. So there is n to the fifth power, and there is n to the fifth power. So 6 and 8 is 14, n to the fifth. When I say the highest one, I'm always talking about my exponents. Now we've got some n4s happening here. 8 plus 6 is plus 14. Okay, something's wrong. Hold on. 6 and 8 is 14. Oh, it's 8 and 6. Cut me some slack, folks. It's just that kind of day. I can't see that those are exactly the same numbers. Oops. Now we got a 3n here. Oh, that one didn't match, so there's only 3n. Bring it down, and minus 3. And there we go. Ta-da. Oh no, look at this. Something, plus, it's okay. I could keep going. You could have the question. Ooh, look at that. Put that one down there. It almost does. It's the same process all the time. So don't get freaked out by longer questions. It just means it's going to take you a little bit longer. You need to be kind of careful, but it's all good. And look, it's addition. So just bring everything down the way it is. Minus 9b plus 8u minus 2uv minus 2u squared. I hate when questions have u's and v's in them because I have to pay such attention to make sure I don't screw them up. Oh, look, speaking of screwing up, missed that. And I screwed up my sign. So, teachable moment right now. It's probably a good idea on a long question like this that before you get going into it, just double check that you copied it out correctly. 2uv minus 2. And we're golden. Okay, so alphabetically, u comes before v. There's a u squared. I don't think there's any other u squared, so minus 2u squared Now, are there any plain u's? There it is, minus 8u. That one's done. Now, uv would come next. So we've got negative 2uv plus 4uv. So it's going to be plus 2uv. And then we've got v squared. So minus 9v squared plus v squared minus v squared. Well, those two are just going to cancel out to 0. So minus 9v squared. All right. Delightful polynomial there. That one was pretty easy because those are both plus. This one, woo, look at it all. 2 negatives there. 4x squared plus 7x3y2 distribute plus 6x squared distribute plus 7x3y2 distribute plus 4x distributing some more minus 10x minus 9x squared. X squared, 3, 4. Change my signs. That looks all good. I feel like I'm on Blue's Clues or something like that, and you guys are sitting in the audience and you're like yelling at me when I make a mistake. Just saying. All right, so we got x's and y's. So x comes first. It's 4x squared and 6x squared. Oh, that's just plain old x. And negative 9. So 4 plus 6 is 10 minus 9 is x squared. If you want, put the 1 in front. If you don't, it's all good. And then we have a 4x and a minus 10x. That's going to be minus 6x. And then we have x3y squared, and that one's the same, x3y squared plus 14x3y squared. There we go. Last one. Minus 5u3v4 plus 9u. Now this is a plus, so I can just copy this one down. Minus 5u3v4 minus 8u plus 8u2v2. This one, the subtract, so I need to distribute. Can you guys work with me? Does adding, like highlighting that stuff work? To me, it's like, bam, it's yelling at me. Pay attention and distribute. Plus 8u4v2 distribute minus 8u3v4. Oh my goodness. Negative 5, 3 and a 4, 9. Just double checking. 3 and a 4, 8u, u2. Make that look more like a u. u4, v2, and a 3 and a 4. All right. Now, it looks like this one has the highest power of u, and it's also the only one we have. So 8u4, v2. All right, now, how about the u3s? There's a u3, there's a u3, that's u2, there's a u3, v4. So 5 minus 5, so minus 5 more is minus 10, minus 8 is going to give me minus 18, u3, v4. Now, what is left? Oh, I've got an 8 plus 8 u2 v2, and then I've got this one and this one plus u. That was harsh. That was a long question. You had to be super careful with it. So I hope you rocked it. And if I made a mistake, feel free to email me. Because probably if you're watching it, you're my student, and you can email me, and then I can maybe make some, give you credit in the comments or credit in the description and say, by the way, this question has a mistake, and this is the person that found